With everything going on in the housing market right now, it's a lot to keep track of. And if you're thinking of buying or selling your home, you've probably already feeling like you've got your hands full. That's where I come in. I keep my pulse on the latest trends in the industry, and I can try to explain what they mean to you. Here are just a few of the questions that I'm getting asked right now. 1. What's happening with mortgage rates? Rates have risen dramatically this year in response to higher inflation. Number 2. Where are home prices headed? Prices are moderating as the market cools, but that doesn't mean they're crashing down. Number 3. Should I buy or sell a home right now? While that depends on your situation, an expert can help you explore your options to decide what's best for you. If you're thinking of making a move, you probably have a lot of questions too. And hopefully I'll have the answers for you. Let's connect so that you can feel confident in your decision to buy or sell a home. Give me a call. It's Patty Hardy here at Canyon Lake, 210-313-1010. Talk to you soon. Thanks.